All right, so I've had time to gather my thoughts on this, and I want to give you guys a definitive answer on is the 2023 or 2022 and a half Lone Star Edition Can-Am Defender worth the extra money. So roughly, with this package, you get the black exterior, you get different colored wheels, and then you've got a different front bumper along with the JL audio roof and the rock sliders. So this package is roughly the MSRP on the regular Defender is $21,899, I think, and then this is like $34,999. So this is kind of a flip-sided deal. If you're the person that wants to stand out and you want to have everything bought and done when you get it, then this is an excellent package. So like I said, you're going to get things with this that you can't get with the other ones. And then also, if you're someone that just needs a big tax write-off or something, you can buy one of these and completely write off a JL audio roof and everything. Whereas they might not work out as well if you was trying to buy one of these, put the stereo in it yourself, and do all that. The JL audio roof has has 6 speakers, and then it has the RGB light system in the roof, and I'll show you guys that so you can see it. I've got a video on here already showing it. Now, you can download an app and change the colors of the lights inside with it, and all of them have them in the speakers. So when you're looking in here, if you look in the light, hey buddy, if you look in the lights, all of them have colors in them, and you can download an app on your phone, and it will give you the ability to change all the lights, sync it to music, and other things. Now, someone said there's a remote in the dash. I haven't looked for it yet, but supposedly you can change the colors with it. Well, look in those dash panels and under the seat in that dash panel and see if there's a remote in there. But this has an amplifier and 6 speakers. There's no subwoofer from the factory. So it's not a really bassy system. It does have a little bit of bass, and it would probably be perfect for 99% of people. So if you're one of these people that does not have a tech savvy ability with wiring speakers and such like that, this may be a better option for you. Now, from my perspective, and this is just my perspective, like I said, this package is not worth the extra money. And the reason I say that is because for $31,899 or whatever the other one is exactly, I can buy one of those and put my own stereo system with 4 speakers overhead and a pre-powered amplifier along with much better rock sliders than this. And then you also, the bumper that comes on the standard limiteds is 100 times better. It has wings on each side of this that come out and protect your side corners here. So that's a huge downfall to this package. I do not understand why they did that. It seems odd. This high-end one, they would put this sportier little chintzier bumper on it. But that's their decision. That's what they did with it. But for me, like I said, I would buy the normal package, put me a speaker system in it, and the BRP rock sliders that stick out a little further than this, and then it would match up with the tires going down through there, and you would still have about $2,500, maybe even less money in that one. So If you're thinking, hey, I'm getting 6 speakers, an amplifier, yes, it's a JL audio system, and yes, it sounds good, but I promise you that you can put 4 RGB kicker or even 4 RGB JL audio speakers in your roof on a standard Can-Am with no amplifier and hook it to one of those Boss audio systems, just like I hooked up in our last one. I'll put a link down in the bio that shows you guys that. But you could put that in with a $300 8-inch kicker sub or JL sub powered and still have way, way less money in it than you would one of these. Like I said, this is an excellent package, and I really like this package, but I just don't see it being worth the extra money to everyone. And so that's why I'm trying to give you the best perspective on it. I can't, with YouTube, I can't turn any music on and let the system play really loud, but I may try to do that on an Instagram video reel on my Instagram for American Dream. But I'll show you guys again. Like I said, you got your amplifier there. You've got a JL audio system here. But to be honest, I even like the Boss audio head unit functionality better than I do the JL audio one. Yes, the JL audio one looks better in my opinion, but the functionality of it isn't any better than the Boss audio, and the Boss audio has the ability to have a rear and front view camera. So just keep that in mind. I hope this helps some of you. It's just, like I said, there's so many people trying to answer this question, and I think it just comes down to 2 people. And if you're a DIYer that can install your own stuff, you're going to come out way, way cheaper. Come out way, way cheaper buying a regular limited. Thank you guys for watching.